What's up, y'all?
It's your girl KDIANI.
And it's your boy Cam, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little full body blast. You guys need to follow along, get it in, get the workout in. Don't sit around, don't just watch the video. Make sure you get it in. We're gonna hit all target areas. We're gonna hit the chest, we're gonna hit the back, we're gonna hit the shoulders, the abs, the legs. We're gonna get it all.
All you need is a set of dumbbells.
Dumbbells only. And make sure you get a moderate weight, something that you can do all the exercises with. We got 6 exercises. For every exercises, we're gonna have 10 reps, and we're gonna go 4 rounds or 4 sets. You don't even need a partner for this workout, but you know, we working together, we stick together. So don't forget to join the gang, subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a comment down below, and smash the thumbs up button. Hey, let's get straight into it.
Hey, popping like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I'm into. Hit the ground running like the rent do. Speak a little something that you're into. I ain't tryna hear about what you been through. Like hold up, say what's the hold up. I got the pack, who got the roll up. I'm tryna pull up. It seem like every time I show up, it gotta go up. See the drip, they see the glow up. Oh, now they know us. See, it's funny how my pockets out of shape, but I'm fit for the flex. Clear the phone call, hit my chick with a text. Parlay through the bird with my drip from the jets. Save a couple hundred by your with the rest. I prefer my reefer with Henny and Coke. Please don't be stingy, got plenty to smoke. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Seem like they doing the most for the clout. Did what I said so they know what I'm about. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Ayy, winning like I ought to. I ain't wanna do it, but I got to. Smoking what my doctor told me not to. Got these wishing they was hot too. Ballin' like I need to. Got my exes wishing for a redo. Smell the marijuana when I speed through. Hit her with a tip, that's a preview. Hold up, wait up, get your weight up. Shit, get your money, not your hate up. Boy, draw a play up. I flip my wrist, a layup. She wanna lay up. I gotta get it, I'ma stay up. I'm all the way up. I got my pay up. I ain't playing with you. I'm a coach now. Commentating, do the most now. I be somewhere booted with my toes down. Make little baby tooted with her nose down. I prefer my reefer with Henny and Coke. Please don't be stingy, got plenty to smoke. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Seem like they doing the most for the clout. Did what I said so they know what I'm about. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Hey, popping like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I'm into. Hit the ground running like the rent do. Speak a little something that you're into. I ain't tryna hear about what you been through. Like hold up, say what's the hold up. I got the pack, who got the roll up. I'm tryna pull up. It seem like every time I show up, it gotta go up. See the drip, they see the glow up. Oh, now they know us. See, it's funny how my pockets out of shape, but I'm fit for the flex. Clear the phone call, hit my chick with a text. Parlay through the bird with my drip from the jets. Save a couple hundred by your with the rest. I prefer my reefer with Henny and Coke. Please don't be stingy, got plenty to smoke. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Seem like they doing the most for the clout. Did what I said so they know what I'm about. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Ayy, winning like I ought to. I ain't wanna do it, but I got to. Smoking what my doctor told me not to. Got these wishing they was hot too.
If you're following along, make sure you're pacing yourself and you're taking your breaks when you need it. If you feel like you're struggling through your sets, don't give up. You know what I mean? Take your break, recuperate, and then go back at it.
Shit, get your money, not your hater. Boy, draw a play up. I flip my wrist, a layup. She wanna lay up. I gotta get it, I'ma stay up. I'm all the way up. I got my pay up. I ain't playing with you. I'm a coach now. Commentating, do the most now. I be somewhere booted with my toes down. Make little baby tooted with her nose down. I prefer my reefer with Henny and Coke. Please don't be stingy, got
Alright y'all, that's it for the full body blast hit workout. He a weakling. He can't handle it for nothing.
All right, y'all. We just killed it. We just got it in. All the reps and sets will be down below in the comments and in the description. Make sure you guys leave a. I can't even talk. I'm so tired. Make sure you guys leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. But also comment down below what y'all want to see. We pumping these videos out for y'all, but we care about y'all opinions too. If y'all want to see more leg workouts, glute workouts, chest workouts, back
I know
workouts,
I like leg workouts.
or y'all like when we stick together and we do stuff as a circuit, as a hit
Two
workout.
peas in a pod.
Yeah, we hit y'all with the combo. Let us know what y'all want to see. Till next time, man. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, join the gang, turn on post notifications. Next video. Man.
Peace.
My dance and these times I love pants, so just let me have my man.